This is row 3 of the granny hexagon. I finished row 2 by slip stitching to the top of the chain 3, and I'm going to slip stitch all the way until I get to that first chain 2 gap. Then I'm going to chain 3 for my first stitch, add 2 more double crochet, and then another chain 2, and then 3 more double crochet, all into the same gap for my first corner. The corners on every single row are worked the exact same. The only difference between row 3 and row 2 is that we are adding sides now. So for the sides, I'm going to chain 1 and then add 3 double crochet into that chain 1 space of row 2. Then I'm going to chain 1 again and add another corner piece to my next chain 2 gap. So every chain 1 gap is going to be a side of just 3 double crochet, and every chain 2 gap is going to be a corner of 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and 3 more double crochet. In between the sides, I'm just going to chain 1. And that's pretty much it for row 3. You can keep watching if you want to see what it looks like at the end. For rows 4, 5, 6, and so on, you are keeping the corners the exact same. You're just adding more side parts. For example, once you get to round 4, you're going to have 2 side pieces, 1 for each chain 1 space, and then when you get to round 5, you'll have 3, and so on and so forth, but the corners stay the same. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. Happy hooking!